welcome back to a very, very special episode of Does It Fregg. Today, we are doing Thanksgiving leftovers. So as you saw in the earlier video, this is chicken and noodles. My family makes chicken and noodles every single year for Thanksgiving, and without fail, we always have like 40 pounds left over. So by this point, so we're several days past Thanksgiving, I've probably consumed at least 25 pounds of chicken and noodles, and so I thought we gotta wrap it up by fregging it and see if it tastes good. So let's just get a nice little view. Let's dig in there. Okay, I got a lot of crap for doing a terrible yolk last time. Not today. Not today. We need that yolk. All right. My first thought, surprisingly, is that it's not my favorite. I did love the sound of great sound, but the flavor, I just don't think it necessarily adds to the flavor of anything, because it's just a very separate flavor. You get the noodle and the chicken, and then separately you taste egg, and it just doesn't feel very cohesive or balanced. So I'm pretty surprised. Maybe it's just because my bar is set so high for these chicken and noodles, or maybe it's because I've had 25 pounds in the last 5 days. But I would actually probably just give this maybe like a 4.3 out of 10. So definitely, it's always worth a try. For the sake of science, never be afraid to Fregg anything. But yeah, I would say it does not Fregg. So let me know in the comments if your family has any fun family traditions, and I would encourage all of you, make Fregg your next Thanksgiving tradition. Catch you on the next one.